Walking into a room filled with natural light has a positive effect on well-being and can lift your mood. Natural light makes rooms brighter throughout the year and creates the feeling of space. The good use of light will enhance the way you live in your home. Glazing plays a big part in the design of your new house, extension or refurbishment project by providing a balance of natural light, comfort and privacy. There are some key decisions to make when choosing the combination of windows and doors for your project, and considering these early on in the design process will help you to create a better living environment. One decision is choosing the frame material for your windows and doors. There are 4 main options: PVC-U, aluminium, timber, aluminium clad timber. The use of PVC-U plastic for windows and doors grew significantly in the 1990s, and most windows are now made from this material. It's considered to be a cheaper and more modern product. PVC-U frames offer lots of choice in colour finishes and opening options. PVC-U windows and doors are thermally efficient because the frames have multiple chambers built in to prevent heat loss. Plastic isn't as rigid as wood or aluminium, and heat from the sun can distort the frames. Steel reinforcement is added to the frames to reduce movement, but this can still be a problem on wider openings and dark coloured frames. The multi-chambers and reinforcement means that PVC-U window and door frames are not as slim as other options. A bigger frame means less glass, which means less natural light for your home. Like all plastics, manufacturing PVC-U profiles to make windows and doors has a significant negative impact on the environment. According to the World Wildlife Fund, it takes 8 times more energy to manufacture a PVC-U window than an equivalent timber frame. As glass sizes have got bigger, we've seen a return to the use of aluminium for windows and doors. Aluminium frames are much slimmer than PVC and can support larger glass areas without the risk of warping in direct sunlight. There is a significant compromise on energy efficiency with aluminium slimmer frames. Aluminium is a great conductor of heat, that's why it's used for saucepans. Modern aluminium frames include a thermal break to reduce heat loss, but aluminium is not as thermally efficient as timber. Wood is the obvious choice if you want to reduce the carbon footprint of your project, but it also offers the most design options. Timber is a structurally strong and stable material with a high level of thermal efficiency, so it's ideal for slim frames and wide-spanned glazing. There's a beauty about a wooden window or door that's crafted by a joinery company. It also offers the design flexibility to achieve the exact look and feel for your home. Wood is recognised as the most renewable resource for windows and doors. It's one of the few building materials to achieve the cradle-to-cradle certified product standard. Aluminium-clad timber windows combine the warmth and beauty of real wood on the inside with low-maintenance aluminium on the outside. This is a great solution to achieve crisp, sharp lines on the outside of your home and a softer finish on the inside to suit your decor. The hard-wearing powder-coated external aluminium is also good for aggressive environments such as city centres or coastal locations. Although wood has been used in making windows for hundreds of years, some misconceptions have built up about timber windows in recent times. Here are some of the most common ones. Timber windows are expensive. Research has shown that timber windows are between 14 to 25% less expensive than PVC-U windows when considering the whole life cost. Joinery companies use precision manufacturing processes to keep costs down. Once fitted, a timber window has a life expectancy of around 60 years, and well maintained, it can last a lifetime. Timber windows have to be painted every couple of years. Timber windows last a long time, but will need some repainting around every 8 to 10 years. The advanced, factory-applied micro-porous coating systems let the wood breathe and provide superb weather protection. Most timber windows and doors offer long-term paint guarantees. You can also choose almost any colour or stain you want. Timber window frames are chunky. Many European-style timber windows and doors are square and bulky. The UK-designed Lignum range offers elegant slim frame styling to suit British house styles. Timber windows rot, get stuck open, and the hinges rust. Engineered timber, combined with technical coatings, mean that modern windows are a world apart from the wood windows fitted in the 1960s and 70s. Nowadays, windows and doors all use similar hinges and hardware, regardless of the frame material. Always choose windows and doors that are certified to PAS 24 2016 standards, which proves they have passed rigorous security and weather testing. The Lignum range of timber windows and doors offers you lots of choice and style options. They are all designed to make them easy to tailor to suit your project. Here's some inspiration and ideas, and your local Lignum joinery supplier will be happy to give you more detailed advice. The Lignum flush casement window has a stylish flush exterior and can be tailored to the house style. The classic flush exterior is perfect for the character of a farmhouse style home. Adding astragal bars across the glass and choosing a muted grey finish puts an Art Deco twist on a traditional brick-built design. Heritage handles, combined with the latest high security locking fitted to Lignum flush windows, will create a traditional look and meet the stringent building regulation document Q requirements for new homes. The new Lignum Al aluminium clad casement window is also available. Traditional windows are the enduring design of grand Georgian houses, Victorian villas and elegant Edwardian homes. Lignum box windows offer an authentic replacement for these properties. They provide high security, are easy to operate and very energy efficient. Lignum sliding sash windows are also a great choice for a new build house. Slim frames create large, airy windows which work perfectly in an open plan living space. The windows can be paired with large sliding or folding doors to add natural light. Lignum bifolding doors combine elegant design with a practical, wide opening out onto a patio or garden. Folding back all of the doors means that you can open up the wall to outside, even in a more limited space. The various door configurations offer practicality. You can include a single opening master door, if it's going to be a regular way in and out of the house, or have doors stacking both ends for a larger opening. The bifolding doors can be combined with a unique Centaur insect screen and privacy blind system. Lignum bifolding doors feature top quality Centaur gearing for smooth operation. Classic Lignum French doors are a popular choice for renovation projects, as they can usually be installed into an existing opening. Because they are made from wood, you can authentically replicate existing features such as feature rails, top lights or side windows without compromising on security or energy efficiency. Sliding patio doors have come a long way in recent years, making it easier to create a wall of glass by combining fixed panels with sliding doors. The super slim Imago sliding door suites with the complete Lignum range. Beautifully engineered with Italian styling, it's one of the slimmest timber sliding doors available to open up your home to the outside. Lignum timber entrance doors are an inspirational range of classic, contemporary and modern designs, or can be made bespoke to your own style. Every door features high security multi-point locking with high thermal insulation. Lignum timber windows and doors are fully certified to achieve the building regulations for security, weather performance, energy efficiency and ease of access. Make sure that your supplier can provide you with current certification. Your property warranty provider will be asking for it. The Joinery Network is a cooperative of leading joinery industry experts and suppliers committed to helping independent joinery companies to manufacture superior timber windows and doors. We are continuously investing in research, development and testing of timber glazing products to bring new superior design options to the market. Check out our website at www.thejoinerynetwork.co.uk, where you can find joinery companies who will be happy to offer expert advice on your project.